that we not talk about the business. We have it very versatile now when it comes to something we can pass me. But we have done part of the ball already, you know, we've got it together. Stop us in there!
Yeah, I am a man up in the air. And I run around this town and act like I don't care. So when you see me flying by the planet's moon, you don't need to explain it, if everything's changed, just know I'm just like you.
Got a man, I don't care, that's irrelevant. Known for making bad decisions for the hell of it. Young Skizzles, taste the rainbow, but that's so beside the point, is sitting next to it. Got a blonde girl with sass that I think named Haley, and she knows I always handle her like Chelsea lately. Look, bitch assy, I'm staring at you. Top floor, penthouse with the aerial view. Skid.
These the colors you have, no need to be sad.
No need to be sad.
It really ain't that bad.
It really ain't that bad. Yeah.
These the colors you have.
Douchebags, assholes, and beer pong connoisseurs, CEOs, interns, unemployed entrepreneurs. I love them all. The hipsters, the fashionistas. Stay outside of beef. Took a liking to Peter. My mom's Mona. Her mom took a liking to Lisa.